Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of King of Kings Hillsong Worship. My name is Mandy and I am so glad that you are here. So yesterday we learned verse 1 in the chorus, and today is going to be a shorter video. We're only going to learn verse 2. Tomorrow we're going to learn, some people say it's verse 3 and verse 4, some people just say it's a really big verse 3, but we're going to learn all of that. And then the following day we'll walk through and then we'll sign with the music. So today is day 2 of 5. Okay, before we get started, remember, I'm left-handed. That means if you're right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, you'll find a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if for some reason this channel, you go to YouTube and it's not there, check out the website, signlanguageworship.com, and I'm sure the tutorials will be there. Or at least we'll give you an update what's going on. Okay, so to reveal the kingdom coming. So reveal, you take your dominant or your non-dominant finger and you kind of reveal it. You put it on display, okay? To reveal the kingdom coming, so that's a K. It's like king, only shorter, and then you show like land, okay? Kingdom. So a K, okay? The kingdom coming. And to reconcile the loss. Now reconcile I've seen a couple ways, like B's out here and then you bring into K's, but that's a little trickier. We're gonna just do reconcile like this that I've seen it, okay? God and us reconciling. So you kind of make like a little chain, reconcile, okay? Reconcile and the lost, you have something and then you lose it, okay? Reconcile the lost. To redeem the whole creation, so ours. Redeem the whole, and for all creation, we're going to say redeem the world. So make a W, and you go around your non-dominant W, okay? And then you did not despise the cross. You did not, okay? So you kind of have thumbs up, and you out from your chin, did not. And then despise. So for that, you kind of have F's here, and then, okay, cast something away, despise. Despise, and then the cross with your dominant hand, you go up, and then a cross, you make a cross, okay? Despise the cross. Let's try that from the top, okay? Reveal the kingdom, K, shorter, and then overland, the kingdom coming, and to reconcile the lost, to redeem creation, you did not despise the cross, okay? For even in your suffering, okay? For even, or you can leave it out. You can just say in your, something that belongs to God, your, and then suffering, you, it's not quite a thumbs up. Your thumb's only a little bit up, and then you kind of turn it twice at your chin, okay? Suffering, you saw, okay? So imagining you're doing your sight lines. You saw to the other side, okay? You saw over there. You saw to the other side, okay? Knowing, so think is a single finger and know is multiple fingers at your forehead. Knowing this, okay? This event, God's death. This was our, so that's a you, going from shoulder to shoulder, our salvation. We're making S's, okay? So A's, your thumb is at top. S's, your thumbs are across your fingers. Salvation, okay? Salvation. Jesus, you died. Jesus, for our sake you died. We're just going to do Jesus, so the nail-pierced hands. Jesus, you died. Okay, let's try that from the top. To reveal the kingdom coming, and to reconcile the lost, to redeem the whole creation, you did not despise the cross. For even in your suffering, I imagine when I actually sign that, I won't fit in all the signs, okay? You saw to the other side, knowing this was our salvation. Jesus, for our sake, you died. Okay, let's try that again. To reveal the kingdom coming and to reconcile the lost, to redeem the whole creation, you did not despise the cross. For even in your suffering, you saw to the other side, knowing this was our salvation. Jesus, for our sake, you died. Okay, one more time. To reveal the kingdom coming and to reconcile the lost, to redeem the whole creation, you did not despise the cross. For even in your suffering, you saw to the other side, knowing this was our salvation. Jesus, for our sake, you died. Practice as many times as you need to, and when you're feeling ready and you're feeling brave, I'll see you in the next video when we finish up learning all the songs we need for King of Kings, Hillsong Worship. I hope wherever you are healthy and you are well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. You guys know the drill. Subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any of the future songs. You can also find us on Facebook, where we chat a little more about day-to-day life. Hope wherever you are healthy and you are well, and I'll see you soon. Bye.